Are you currently seeking a reliable LED screen for commercial use? Hi, I'm Regina, the product manager for LAMPRO. Welcome to a new era of commercial LED display. Allow me to introduce BNXII series. 6 cabinet sizes, infinite splicing possibilities, supports 90 degrees rotation for effortless layouts, slim and light profile at just 9 kilograms per cabinet. Mismatched sizes crump your install space. Heavy enclosures ruining your design flow. These issues hit your project's ROI and aesthetics. However, with diverse sizes, lightweight cabinets, and 90 degrees rotation, BNXII integrates seamlessly into any interior. Creative convex, concave splicing for naked eye 3D. Maximize attention. High brightness semi-outdoor window installs. Vibrant day and night. Standard trim kits for flawless finish. Versatile mounting installation. Backstrip. Fast, clean, elegant. 2,000 square meters ready stock rolling release. Shenzhen local and overseas warehouses on standby. Order now, ship instantly. Keep your projects on schedule. Join LAMPRO with partner, great success together.